Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to OSEI Vocabulary Channel. आज के इस लेसन में हम आपको सिखाने जा रहे हैं Do's and Don'ts in a Gym। हमारे साथ लगातार इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए जल्दी से कर दें हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही करें बेल आइकन पे क्लिक ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। So let's start our today's lesson on Do's and Don'ts in a Gym। Let's talk about do's firstly. Number 1 is be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of your surroundings. Number 2, do try to keep supersets close together. Do try to keep supersets close together. Number 3, do ask if someone is already using the equipment you want to use. Do ask if someone is already using the equipment you want to use. Number 4, do wipe down your equipment and re-rack your weights. Do wipe down your equipment and re-rack your weights. Number 5, be mindful about timings. Be mindful about timings. Now let's talk about the don'ts in a gym. Don't stand in front of the dumbbell rack. Don't stand in front of the dumbbell rack. Number 2, don't stand around in chat zone. Don't stand around and chat zone. Number 3, don't hoard or hog dumbbells. Don't hoard or hog dumbbells. Number 4, don't be in people's personal space. Don't be in people's personal space. Number 5, don't block someone's mirror view. Don't block someone's mirror view. Number 6, don't sit on your phones at machines. Don't sit on your phones at machines. Number 7, don't interrupt sets. Don't interrupt sets. Number 8, don't stand around the people waiting to use their equipment. Don't stand around the people waiting to use their equipment. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। Stay tuned for more interesting videos.